Kilig overload naman ang post ng Star Cinema. 3 years ago, four times Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino had the same time and travel outfit. Ika nga sabi ni Pao, twinning is twinning. Here, 2025, we're not just hype for Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino's first ever movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear, premiered February 12, but we also love their low-key matching travel style. And here are four times Kim Pao looks were coincidence or destiny. Talaga namang tinadhana. Di naman nila sinasadya nga. Ayon nga sa kanila, twinning is twinning. Nagkataon lang. And here are four times Kim Pao looks were confidentially and signed for seemingly different trips. So cute. Twinning is twinning talaga ang mag-couple. My Love Will Make You Disappear, guys. Nako, daming na-excited, promise. Kahit ako, super excited na talaga. Very excited ang mga Kim Pao fans. And they look so great together. Can't wait for the movie soon. Ito talaga yung tinatawag at Star Cinema na destiny. This is not pagkakataon lang. And it is twinning for life, for destiny. Talagang sila yung tinadhana para sa isa't isa. Maraming mga bagay na sa atin, maraming mga bagay na nga nagkataon. Pero talagang sila, yun na nga sinasabi ni Pau na patibay na nga. Kumbaga may mga bagay na hindi nila sinasadya na nagkataon. So, that's the sign. Ayan guys, watch the official teaser of My Love Will Make You Disappear on Star Cinema's YouTube channel via this link. So ayan, papanoorin nyo guys.